Morning show mates, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss a quick fix for something that happened to me the other day. It's time to get wet. So with all the recent frosty weather, I got up for work the other day, started the car up, windscreen was a bit minging because obviously it's that time of year again, which is fine. Tried to clean the window with the washers, absolutely nothing. Lots of noise, but no water. Tried again, and then I lost the noise, so I had nothing at all. So at this point, I was a little bit nervous, couldn't see the windscreen, so I had to clean it manually to drive off, which is fine, and I had to do the same for the return journey. Obviously that's why you don't try your windscreen washers on a frosty morning. Good safety tip. Now I've had a look at it, I think I've resolved the problem. It now works, and I'll explain to you how. Now I've got the vehicle home and I've had a look at it. It's a simple fix. It was not as bad as I thought. I had a horrible feeling that I'd need to replace the windscreen washer pump and everything like that. Horror stories online, but thankfully luck was on our side and it was a simple fix, and I'll show you now in case you need to do it yourself. Okay, so quick check. So under the bonnet over here on this side we have the fuse box cover. If you remove that, there are 3 tangs all around the outside, 2 at the back, 1 at the front. Click them in, pull that off, which exposes, oh, scariness, but don't worry, it's not too bad. You are after the fuses down this side. So number 14 and number 13 are the 2 that are useful. Number 14, which is a 10 amp, is the one that controls the washers. That's the one that's causing the problem. You can swap them over with 13. That's a 15 amp fuse, which won't matter temporarily, but that's for the horn. So you can swap those 2 across to see whether they start working again. On this occasion they did. So it's definitely fuse number 14 that we need to swap. Some people I know are a little bit apprehensive when it comes to looking under the bonnet at electronics, but you're kind of staying away from all that. You're really only looking at this side of the vehicle with the fuses, and you really can't do any damage taking a fuse in or out. So as long as you do it carefully, and you can check, as I will show you, you can check to see how a fuse looks sort of condition wise. Okay, so just a quick look now at the fuse that's come out. Obviously, as I said to you, it's a red 10 amp, so I don't know whether it'll focus properly because it's a little bit small, to be fair, but you can just about make out the metal arc inside is actually popped. So much like a house light bulb, once it's gone, it's gone. You need to pop it in the bin, grab a new one. Well, I hope that was useful for someone. I know it's a very basic check, but it did save me a lot of time and a lot of money. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.